Hey guys, this is Tanzanite Tutorials, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to get Ndless on your TI-Nspire series calculators. In this video I'm using a TI-Nspire CX on 3.9. For those of you that don't know, Ndless will allow you to get emulators on your device, but also will allow you to get various apps that you couldn't run without Ndless. In this video I'm also going to show you how to downgrade from 3.9 to 3.6 using the Downgrade fix 3.9. But please, before continuing, check the What You Need section in the description. If you do not have everything that you need, then you cannot do this. The first thing you want to do is check your version number. You can do this by pressing the Home button, the 5 button, and then the 4 button. This tutorial is specifically for 3.9, but if you have 3.6, you can skip to the end of the video. After this, the first thing you want to do is download all the links in the description that I have provided. This will allow you to follow the video more fluently and be able to access all the files I'm using in the video. So the next step we have is downgrading from 3.9 to 3.6 because Ndless will not run on 3.9. So now we're on to downgrading. So the first thing you want to do is drag and drop the downgrade fix 3.9 into your file system of your calculator. As you can see, I already have the downgrade fix in my calculator's file system. So all I need to do is go into my calculator and run it. But first, before you run it, make sure your calculator is connected to your computer. Run the program and then quickly disconnect and reconnect your calculator. And as you can see, the calculator has shown back up in the file browser. If you did not do it this way, however, you'll have to click the reset button on the back for it will not show up. Directly after it showing up in the file browser, you want to put in the update file and just drag and drop it on your calculator for your calculator. Once you've done this, the update file will transfer over to your calculator. Once it's completed transferring to your calculator, it will begin installing on your calculator. Now it'll only make it to 15% and it's supposed to do that. Once it reaches 15%, turn your calculator over and click the reset button. As you can see, it's reached 15%, so I simply turn it around and press the reset button. Once you click the reset button on your calculator will reboot. Now this will take some time, and on the page in the end it'll say operating system not found, install OS now. As you can see, the page has come. Now once the page has come, your file system for your calculator will be accessible, and you simply just drag the same file, the same update file, into the file system and it'll install the 3.6 software version. And once this is finished, you'll have software version 3.6 on your calculator. Now once you've gone through the startup process, you'll be able to install Ndless. To do this, just take the whole folder and put it in your file system. To install it from there, you go and find the Ndless installer, click it, and then click the menu button to install Ndless. Once the menu key is hit, your calculator will reboot and you will have Ndless now. So now into the second part of the video on how to get a GBA emulator on your calculator. If you downloaded the items in the description, you will have a GBA emulator set or a Game Boy Advanced emulator set with Pokemon Fire Red. Now all you have to do is drag and drop that whole file folder right onto the calculator. After that, all you have to do is run the launcher, find the ROM file, and then run it. However, if you want another ROM besides the Pokemon Fire Red, you need to make sure that you add the .tns to the end of the ROM file. And that's really all I got for you guys. So this was how to downgrade from 3.9 to 3.6 on a TI-Nspire series calculator and install Ndless on it. If this helped, please like, comment, or subscribe because this really helps me continue to make videos for you guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.